was a repair up here on the spoiler. So I'm just gonna blend it out right here to this little line. Blend it out here the same way. Keep it off the side where it does butt up to anything that's visual. I'm gonna start with my wet bed, then I'll spray my base coat. Alright, let's spray my base coat using the Axalta 5500 1.20. I'll start by doing my blend. Do it a little bit farther back. Go up to where I want to blend to. Same thing on both sides. Then I'll cover the middle. With this paint, you do want to make sure that you're flicking so that you're not leaving lines or making any kind of halos. This is a lot thicker than your average waterborne base coat or even solvent. There's my drop coat. Now I'll let that dry, check it, and clear Romax 8300 with the Axalta 5500 1.3i. Let that flash, do another coat. Ready for another coat.